So do I, this phrase in Chinese. So do I is 我也一样，我也一样。也 means also, 一样 means the same. So I also the same means so do I. 我也一样。For example, she enjoys music, so do I. 她喜欢音乐，我也一样。她喜欢音乐，我也一样。Or they work hard, and so do I. 他们努力工作，我也一样。他们努力工作，我也一样。So do I in Chinese is 我也一样。Of course, you can also say 我也是。我也一样，我也是。Take care in Chinese. We has two expressions for this phrase. One is 照顾, one is 保重。First one, 保重, we use it when we are saying goodbye with people. For example, take care, I'll be seeing you soon. 保重，我们下次再见。保重，我们下次再见。Another meaning is 照顾, it actually means take care of somebody or something. For example, he's well able to take care of himself. In Chinese, that would be 他完全能够照顾好自己。他完全能够照顾好自己。完全 means completely. 能够 means able, be able to. So take care in Chinese can be 照顾 or 保重。Of course in Chinese. Of course, we would say 当然 or 当然了。For example, of course, this is just a personal opinion. In Chinese, we would say 当然了，这只是个人意见。当然了，这只是个人意见。Or, of course I will help you. Of course I will help you. In Chinese is 我当然会帮你。我当然会帮你。So, of course in Chinese is 当然 or 当然了。I'm lost in Chinese. I'm lost in Chinese. 我迷路了。我迷路了。It also means 我没明白。Like, I don't understand. I'm confused. 我没明白 or 我不明白。For example, 我迷路了，你能告诉我这是哪儿吗？我迷路了，你能告诉我这儿是哪儿吗？ I'm lost. Could you tell me where I am? Or when it means I don't understand, I'm confused, we will see it in a sentence like this. 等一下，我不明白。Or 等一下，我没明白。Hold on a minute, I'm lost. 等一下，我没明白。So I'm lost in Chinese can be 我迷路了 or 我不明白，我没明白。I promise in Chinese. I promise is 我保证，我保证。保证 is guarantee or promise. For example, I'll make it up to you, I promise. 我保证，我一定会补偿你的。我保证，我一定会补偿你的。补偿 means to make it up. I'll call you back, I promise. 我会给你回电话的，我保证。我会给你回电话的，我保证。回电话 is call somebody back. So, I promise in Chinese is 我保证。